Traders, do yourself a favor. Don't risk your own money. Trade a prop firm account. Here's the thing. Leverage with a $100,000 account. A 10% gain will pay you $9,000. There's a 90% profit share with this option. If you want to start small, go with a 5K account that will cost you $34. Trade successfully on this one and then increase. Here's my proposal. Spend 2 weeks getting your strategy sorted completely free. Access our signals, Discord VIP trading, mentorship, daily videos, and our TradingView indicators. Give it 2 weeks. And when you see this working, start your prop firm challenge and make a difference. The link is on my website, anthonybourne.com.